Hi there, welcome to another exciting episode with EnnyGeleCraft. And on today's episode, I will be teaching you guys how to tie a 6-yard Ankara fabric. Make sure you click the subscribe button and also don't forget to turn on your notification button so you can get updates whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you. Enjoy. Alright guys, welcome. Okay, so this is our 6-yard Ankara fabric and we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to tie a 6-yard Ankara fabric. There's no particular style, I'm just going to go creative on this one. We're about to get started. So firstly, I want to base my Ankara fabric on my model's head. So how do I base? Having this long, very long material, how do I get to measure and actually know where to pick from? So all you need to do is make sure your shorter hand is on your left while your longer hand is on your right. So definitely I want to make sure I reduce the length of my fabric on my shorter hand, which is my left hand, and the longer hand will be on my right hand. So done. Alright, so I take in 2 inches like this, and then I pick my pleats. So you don't have a number of pleats, no particular number of pleats, just make sure you're picking pleats because our fabric is very wide and long, so just pick a lot of pleats. Sitting firmly on your model's head. And so before you go to the back and continue, you can stop. Now you want to make sure you open up so you can see the back of our hair. So this is our shorter hand and this is our longer hand. So definitely our shorter hand should be going above our longer hand, simply because it's on my right when I'm standing at the back. So I pick my pleats. On both sides, my base piece on both sides. Alright, so the longer hand is going to the front, and the shorter hand, so this is my shorter hand. So I take in 2 inches here, and I take my pleats. My pleats is well aligned. Okay, you can get this one. Alright, so firstly I want to make sure I roll up, because I'm gonna be rolling up, so I'm gonna be rolling in folds. So I'm gonna be starting with the longer hand, which is on my left, standing in our front. So I start. Alright, so the reason why I didn't take my pleats fully to this side is because I'm still gonna be bringing this hand over. So I want to pin here. I have to make sure the longer hand is well secured. That is, I pin down to the base. Make sure you pin through. Alright, so my Gele is sitting firmly. My Ankara Edward visiting family. So definitely I want to start my design with the other hand, which is the shorter hand. Alright, so now I align my pleats on this side. Alright, so it's enough this way. So I want to take on this side first. So and the first thing I do after I place is I want to make sure I pin on the roll. I mean on the roll of feet, on the roll of feet. I make sure I pin it firmly so that I wouldn't have to open. I wouldn't have to drag on the floor. So should pin. Start rolling, so I roll. So one side of my head wrap, particularly this other hand I'm working on currently, I'm going to make sure I make a lot of ruffles just to complement the other side. So how do we do that? Now since I have my second hand firmly based on this part of the gele, so I can now start putting my ruffles on top of it. So let's do that. So let's go. This is how I pick my ruffles. Do this like this. Put in such a place. Okay, so I roll up like this, the normal twists, and I pin. For those of you who don't know how to tie the ruffles gele, just go to my videos, my previous tutorial. You see how to tie the ruffles gele tutorial. Just simply click on it and watch the video so you can know how to put the ruffles whenever you're doing Ankara style. So let's go. Now I'm still picking my ruffles. Alright, so this other end, the remaining parts, I can make a twist. So I'm taking it around. So just like this. Alright, so I pin down. Let me show you. Alright. So I took it from the front to the back, then now I'm pinning down just to ensure the material is staying the way I put it. So alright, so Alright, so one more thing I do to ensure that my gele doesn't fall. I make sure I pin this rolled up part, the last part I rolled. I make sure I pin it to the back here on this place. So there we have. Just make sure you align your ruffles well. Just going. Now you can see my Ankara edge wrap looking done. So keep pinning because I want this part to stay upright. So I make sure I use enough pin to hold it there. Pin very well. Alright, so still have some pieces. So here we have it. This is our beautiful 6-year Ankara.
Kò sí fashion kan tójú tí a lọ ìró àti bùbá yẹn pẹ̀lú gèlè skóńtó ló. Gèlè odò tí ká mọ̀ wé. Ká gbà jígí fún wọn ṣé torí mi lẹ lọ gẹ́gẹ́lé. Ṣé torí mi lẹ lọ gẹ́gẹ́lé skẹ́ńtẹ́lẹ̀ àbí torí wọn lẹ gẹ́gẹ́lé skẹ́ńtẹ́lẹ̀ bó bá ṣe torí mi lẹ gẹ́gẹ́lé nínú àgẹ́ bílà ní skóńtóló.
It was created by EnnyGeleCraft.
Onígèlè yìí ẹjọ́ máa.